If you're a developer, then you need to hear this from, this is Mehdi Abbas Nathani. Mobile apps are everywhere. They have become an integral part of our daily lives. You probably use them every day, whether it's for checking the weather, staying connected with friends, or managing your finances. They're on your phone, your tablet, even your watch. These devices have transformed how we interact with the world. Want to play a game, order food, learn a new language? There's an app for almost anything you can think of. There's an app for that. From entertainment to education, the possibilities are endless. These apps don't just magically appear. They are the result of countless hours of hard work and dedication. Teams of creative people work hard to build them. They brainstorm, design, and code to bring these apps to life. As a Flutter developer, your role begins after the client meets with the project manager. Once the project manager finalizes the UI/UX design, your development work starts. You use Flutter to bring these designs to life, writing code that tells the app how it should look and function. Every detail is meticulously crafted to ensure a seamless user experience. It's a challenging but rewarding job. Developers solve complex problems and create innovative solutions. After your development, other roles like QA tester, deployment, and marketing come into play. Plus, millions of people might use something you helped create. Imagine the impact of your work on the world.
Building an app is like following a recipe. Each step is crucial and must be followed in a specific order to achieve the desired outcome. There are steps or stages you go through. Each stage builds upon the previous one, ensuring a smooth transition from concept to completion. First, you need an idea. This is the spark that ignites the entire process. What problem will your app solve? Who will use it? Understanding your target audience is key to creating a successful app.
Next comes design. This is where your idea starts to take shape visually. This is like drawing a blueprint. It provides a detailed plan for how the app will function and look. It maps out how the app will look and feel, ensuring a user-friendly experience.
Now the developer steps in. This is where the magic happens. During the development stage, code brings the design to life. It's like constructing a building from the blueprint. Think of it like putting the app together piece by piece, ensuring each component fits perfectly.
Before you launch, testing is crucial. This step ensures that everything works as intended. This is where you make sure everything works smoothly, identifying and fixing any issues, like checking for bugs or glitches. It's essential to provide a seamless user experience.
Finally, you launch. This is the moment you've been working towards. Your app is available for download in app stores, ready for users to explore and enjoy, ready for the world to use. It's an exciting time as users start to interact with your creation. But the journey doesn't end there. Continuous improvement is key. Maintenance means keeping the app updated with new features and bug fixes. It's an ongoing process to ensure the app remains relevant and functional.
Developers wear many hats throughout the app lifecycle. During the idea phase, they think about the technical side. Can this idea actually be turned into an app? What technologies will we use? In the design stage, developers collaborate with designers. They figure out how to make the design work with code. Development is where developers shine. They write the code, build the app's features, and connect it to servers. During testing, developers are like detectives. They hunt down bugs and fix them to ensure a smooth user experience. Even after launch, developers are busy. They release updates, add new features, and keep the app running smoothly. Section 4. Real-world apps, real-world code. Let's look at a real-world example, a photo-sharing app. The idea? People want an easy way to share photos with friends and family. Designers create a user-friendly interface for uploading, editing, and viewing photos. Developers use languages like Swift or Java to build the app. They write code to handle image uploads, apply filters, and create smooth animations. Testers use the app, trying to find any errors. They report back to the developers who then fix the issues. Once launched, the development team analyzes user feedback. Maybe users want more editing options. The developers then code those features and release an update. Section 5. Ready, set, code your path to app development. So you want to be a mobile app developer? Awesome! It's a fantastic journey that combines creativity, logic, and problem solving. There are tons of resources available to help you learn and grow. From books and online articles to video tutorials and interactive courses, the options are endless. Start by exploring different programming languages like Swift, which is great for iOS development, Java, which is widely used for Android apps, or Kotlin, which is modern and concise. There are online courses, tutorials, and even coding boot camps designed specifically for mobile app development. These can provide structured learning paths and hands-on experience. Build your own simple apps. This is where the real fun begins. Start with something small like a calculator. It may seem basic, but it's a great way to understand the fundamentals. Or try creating a to-do list app. These projects will help you grasp essential concepts and build confidence. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Debugging is a crucial skill, and every error is a learning opportunity. That's how you grow as a developer. Each challenge you overcome makes you better and more prepared for the next. Building apps is a challenging but incredibly rewarding experience. Seeing your app come to life is an amazing feeling. You get to be creative, solve problems, and potentially impact millions of people worldwide. Your ideas can make a real difference. The world of mobile app development awaits. Dive in, explore, and start building your future today.